Hey there, it's Chris from Big Lake. We're back on the Bluenose project. So moving on to the upper deck, we have our balsa core cut and fitted, 1/2 inch. So the skin is all ground. You can see it's pretty shitty. I have to think it's 50 years old. So this, you can see the darker color is way nicer. The white, I think, has been immersed in water for quite a long time. So we'll need to set that core into, I'm going to use a couple layers of mat. It's like a 1.5 ounce density. CSM. So with the condition of the glass already, I think 2 layers would be best. So we'll hit her up with that, and then we'll let that cure. Afterwards, we'll give it a little skim with the grinder around the edges of the balsa core, and then we can cap it too in fiberglass and subsequently gel coat it. Kind of staying away a bit from the core that we left in there, give us a little bit of a buffer area for that. So we'll do 2 layers like that. That'll be plenty to sandwich her in. It'll be quite a bit thicker than it was before. I think that's best in this case. So then in a couple minutes we'll grab some resin, get this baby laminated in and cured so we can move on to our next step, which would be another section of core headed towards the stern. Okay, so we'll get this wetted out. Probably not a big enough project to switch to the 9-inch roller, which you might on, perhaps like a floor or something with a lot of square footage. I think this one we can get away with the 3-incher. We're just trying to saturate that mat. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Any of the additional stuff we just end up grinding off after, though. It's nice to cut it nice and tight so you don't have to grind so much, since it's so, dusty and horrible. Shotgun would be pretty sweet for this. So yeah, I just want to get it all saturated nice so there's no air bubbles, light areas. Then we can set the core in and let that cure.